Ever wish you could boost your brain without slogging through yet another cup of coffee? Well, get ready to quench your brain's thirst, because we've got the lowdown on 10 brain-boosting drinks that'll have your brain doing a happy dance. From the zingy green tea to the unexpected kombucha twist, we'll explore these liquid gems that might just be your new go-to for mental clarity and focus. So stick around if you're ready to explore the exciting world of drinks that can help your brain perform at its best. Number 10. Turmeric Lattes. Ever heard of turmeric lattes? They're like a cozy, creamy booster in a cup. Turmeric, the star of the show, is packed with a mighty antioxidant called curcumin. Now, curcumin has a secret superpower. It might help your body churn out something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Why is that important, you ask? Well, low BDNF levels are like red flags for your brain, linked to mental hiccups and neurological hitches. By upping those BDNF levels, turmeric lattes can potentially be your brain's new best friend. Number 9. Green tea. Do you remember the calm allure of green tea? Not as jolting as coffee, but it has its own secrets for keeping our minds sharp and attentive. But here's the twist. Green tea doesn't just rely on caffeine to perk you up. It's got a couple of other secret weapons: L-theanine and a substance called EGCG. Now, L-theanine is like a soothing breeze for your brain. It can help you chill out, which is pretty great. But the real magic happens when it teams up with caffeine. Together, they might just give your attention span a boost. Fact, a bunch of studies say that green tea can be like a spotlight for your focus, attention, and memory. And then there's our brain's potential superhero, EGCG. This compound can sneak into your brain through something called the blood-brain barrier. That means it could potentially do some pretty cool things in there. Maybe even take on the bad guys like neurodegenerative diseases. But we're yet to see more research to confirm all of this. Number 8. Kombucha. Kombucha, a fizzy, fermented drink, starts with green or black tea and gets a flavor boost from fruit or botanicals. But kombucha's real magic lies in probiotics, which are friendly bacteria that can work wonders in your gut. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your gut and your brain have this secret hotline called the gut-brain axis. It's like a two-way street where they chat and share info. So in theory, if your gut is happy and healthy thanks to kombucha, it might just give your brain a little high five too. But here's the thing. Little research explicitly says that drinking kombucha will give you a brain boost. It's more of what we think might help the situation. Number 7. Orange juice. Remember those fresh orange juice mornings? Turns out, this classic breakfast staple is not just refreshing, it's a golden elixir for our brains too. Just a single cup of this delight gives you a whopping 130% of your daily value for vitamin C. But here's the twist. This vitamin isn't just about warding off colds. It's also got some cool tricks up its sleeve for your brain. Now, when scientists took a closer look, they found something interesting. In a review of 50 human studies, they discovered that folks with higher levels of vitamin C in their blood, or those who happily reported chomping down more vitamin C-rich foods, had a little something extra going on in their brains. Number 6. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are nature's little jewels, aren't they? Not only delightful to the palate, but also believed to be little helpers for our brains. They're packed with polyphenol plant compounds that can do wonders for your brain. But the real deal are the anthocyanins, fancy antioxidants that give blueberries a beautiful bluish-purple color. Now, if you're not into munching on handfuls of blueberries, no worries, because blueberry juice is like a concentrated burst of these brain-loving compounds. But in some studies, they didn't quite pull off the brain power miracle. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're looking for a healthier, lower sugar option that still delivers the goods, go for whole blueberries. They might just give you a similar brain boost without the sugar rush. Okay, let's take a brief pause together. Your brain orchestrates every thought, action, and emotion you experience. How might we nourish it best? If you were to pick just one of these brain-boosting drinks to nurture your mind on an important day, share your thoughts in the comments below. Which would it be? I'm genuinely curious about your choices. Number 5. Cocoa. Guess what? Harvard found that daily cocoa can improve memory. Yup, you heard that right. Cocoa might just be your brain's new best friend. Cocoa is loaded with something called flavonols. These little superheroes help keep your blood pressure in check and give your blood vessels a nice, relaxing massage. But there's more to cocoa than just being a cozy drink. It also contains antioxidants. Those antioxidants are like bodyguards, keeping free radicals from messing with your brain cells. Now, here's the catch. Don't go overboard with the sugar when you're mixing up your cocoa. Keep it on the healthier side. And the best time to enjoy this brain-boosting treat? Well, how about starting your day with a steaming hot cup of cocoa? Your brain will thank you for the sweet start. Number 4. Carrot juice. Not just for Bugs Bunny anymore. Carrots are loaded with antioxidants and are brain boosters too. But what really makes them stand out is their mega dose of beta-carotene. Sipping on some carrot juice may actually dial down the inflammation in your cells and give your memory a little boost. And here's the kicker. Carrot juice is anything but bitter. It's actually pretty tasty. So, why not make it a habit and enjoy a glass every other day after your meal? Your brain will thank you, and your taste buds will be on board too. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. This mighty fruit is like a shield for your brain cells, keeping those free radicals at bay. But that's not all. Antioxidants, like those found in pomegranates, are like your body's own traffic cops, directing blood flow and safeguarding your heart. Moreover, consistent consumption of pomegranate juice has shown the potential to enhance memory function. Plus, with its sweet and tangy flavor profile, it's not only a treat for the brain, but also the palate, making it a delightful addition to your daily regimen. Number 2. Berry smoothies. When it comes to brain-boosting foods, nothing can beat the acai berry. Now, this tiny fruit might not be the cheapest option on the shelf, but it sure packs a punch when it comes to helping out your brain. Acai berry have this awesome ability to dial up blood flow and make your blood vessels open up. But yeah, they can be a bit heavy on the wallet. Now, don't fret if acai isn't in your budget. Berries are here to save the day. While they might not be as potent as acai, they still do a pretty decent job of boosting your brain. Mix a dash of acai into your frozen berry juice and make it a daily ritual. The cool thing about frozen berries is that they lock in all that freshness and nutritional goodness. Number 1. Beet juice. Beets, those vibrant red root veggies, aren't just about their stunning color. They pack a secret superpower known as nitrates. Now, nitrates might not sound too exciting, but they're the building blocks your body uses to create nitric oxide. And why should you care about nitric oxide? Well, it's like a superhero for your blood vessels, giving them a boost to deliver oxygen more efficiently to your cells and promoting smoother blood flow. Some folks chug down beetroot juice like it's the ultimate pre-workout power-up, thanks to its blood-boosting abilities. But things get a tad murkier when it comes to boosting your brain. We're not entirely sure if beetroot juice turns you into a genius, but here's the exciting bit. Nitric oxide might have a secret life inside your brain. Your brain has its own language, learning, and super smart decision-making section. It turns out nitric oxide might be the backstage pass for our brain's language and thinking circuits. There's even a study suggesting that those who mix exercise with beet juice might have brain networks that resemble those of younger folks. Plus, it's got a naturally sweet taste, making it an easy addition to your routine. Now, it's your turn. Have you tried any of these drinks? Or do you have a favorite brain-boosting concoction of your own? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.